This is part 2 of breaking down the magical moments that led to a $200 million 10-year deal. In part 1, we talked about asking the right questions to uncover the right outcomes, shifting from chasing a low bid win to securing a long-term strategic agreement. Now for magical moment number 2. During a review meeting, the client's customer asked, "What happens if a 747 crashes into County Cork, Ireland, and wipes out your production facility?" My client was the only one manufacturing overseas. If something happened, they'd be offline for 6 months. 3 months were covered, with inventory already on the water and in transit. To address the other 3, we proposed a storage tank on the client's property. My client still owned the product until a telemetering system automatically triggered release. No panic, no downtime, no lost profitability. That built trust, but the real game changer? We created and trademarked the MindSight Services program. It wasn't about changing the product specs. It was about delivering value-add services designed to improve the client's operations and profitability. Through quarterly on-site visits, we shared insights, reviewed data, and proactively solved problems. One day, an operator said, "Why don't you have a man on site like Caterpillar?" That sparked innovation, predictive support, faster fixes, and supply chain upgrades like the telemetering system. Then something big happened. The bid RFP is released, and it included a section called MindSight Services. The other vendors, they didn't know what it meant because we invented it. That gave their customer the perfect reason to pull the bid and move to a negotiated agreement. This wasn't about selling a product. It was about becoming a partner in their efficiency, in their success, and in their future. Velocity isn't just speed. It's speed with the right direction. And the right direction comes from asking better questions and responding with bold, innovative solutions. That's how you build trust. That's how you win long-term deals. And that's how you create velocity.